It is estimated that Uganda has about 6.5 billion barrels of oil, but only 1.4 billion barrels are recoverable. Upon establishing the crude oil commercial viability, government decided to construct an oil refinery and a crude oil pipeline in partnership with Tanzania in what is now called the East African Crude Oil Pipeline Project, EACOP. Now the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development says once the pipeline is complete by 2025, Uganda will reap about $36 billion, approximately 130 trillion Ugandan shillings.
And that is just the monetary benefit. We've not even counted the general impact on the national economy.
Bateebe was speaking during an engagement for stakeholders in the extractive industry and energy sector organized by the Office of the Auditor General.
If we manage this sector transparently and effectively, we are capable of generating huge revenues which can be used to improve our socio-economic conditions in the country.
The Permanent Secretary also revealed that Uganda will soon export hydropower to neighboring countries once Karuma Dam is connected to the national grid with 600 megawatts of power.
We're working with DRC to ensure we have a 400 kV line delivering power to eastern DRC and also going to serve a number of mining areas in the DRC. We are working with South Sudan at feasibility study today to ensure that we also have an interconnection project through Juba, through Nimule to Juba.
As Uganda plans to export hydropower, it should be noted that many Ugandans are still not connected to the national grid.
57% access to electricity in the country, where 19% is on grid, all of us who are getting power from the grid, and 38% is off grid, looking at solar solutions, the solar home systems, solar heating systems.
Ugandans have for long been waiting to see the first drop of oil, and when the government says that the country is expected to reap $36 billion, approximately 130 trillion shillings in just the East African crude oil pipeline, what does this mean for the ordinary Ugandan? Will this money trickle down to the health sector, to the education sector, to the roads and the like? Well, time will tell. Mildred Pedun, NTV Tonight.